Okay. Calculation of tax on non-savings income and savings income are done. We did both topics, right? Non-saving, we have three bands: basic, higher, and additional. While in savings income, we do have only five bands: start band, basic, start, nil rate band, basic, higher, and additional. And we learned in detail that what is a start band, when it should come, what should be the limit for start band, and we also discussed that nil rate band, what is nil rate band and what are the limits of nil rate band in our last class, right or wrong?
Right.
Okay. In today's class, we will complete computation of tax, inshallah, and the remaining thing is dividend. This is the last column in our main format. Our main format was non-savings, savings, dividend, and total. Total is okay. Non-saving done, saving is done. Now dividend. In dividend, we do have four bands. First band is nil rate band. The first band is called nil rate band. Second one is same basic, then higher and additional. There is no start band in dividend income, and there is a difference between nil rate band of dividend and savings. Nil rate band of dividend has a limit of £2,000. Either this guy is basic, higher, or additional. Whatever the status of taxpayer is, the nil rate band for dividend income will remain same, and it is £2,000 only. Now, in savings income, we do have nil rate band, but the limit of nil rate band in saving income was 1,000 if it is basic taxpayer, 500 if it is higher taxpayer, and 0 if it is additional rate taxpayer. In savings income, it varies. But when we talk about dividend income, the nil rate band limit is same, is constant. Either you are basic or higher or additional taxpayer, it's 2,000 fixed. Any questions?
No questions.
Okay. You want to copy it?
I'll write it down.
You wrote it down? Okay.
Not done.
Okay. You said something?
No, I just said I'm done.
Okay.
Writing down.
That's what we discussed is in the handouts, which I forwarded to you. It's written here like this way. You can see the rates when we learned non-savings and savings. We have basic band, higher and additional. The tax rate was same, 20, 40 or 45. Either it is non-saving income or saving income. The tax rates were same. But now if we are talking about dividend, the tax rates are different. In basic band, the tax rate for dividend income is not 20%, it is 7.5%. The tax rate in higher band for dividend income is not 40%, it is 32.5%. And the tax rate for dividend in additional band is not 45%, it is 38.1%. So the tax rates are different. Tax rates are not same. Like non-savings and savings, the tax rate were same, but here the tax rates are different. But as we know that all the tax rates and the limits of basic, higher and additional bands will be given in your exam. How to do that? How to apply it? You have question number 31. Till now, we did around 30 questions. So now you have question number 31. Can you please read it out?
Jeremy earned employment income of £14,850 and received dividends of £4,500 in the tax year 2021 to 2022. Yeah.
Okay.
PAYE of £600 was deducted in respect of the employment income. Calculate Jeremy's income tax payable for the year 2021 to 2022.
Now in this question, we have how many incomes?
We have employment income,
Okay.
which is non-saving income.
Yes, we have non-savings, which is employment, and
pay as you earn is
pay
£600.
is the reduction in the liability. It's not an income. It will be after we get the liability. In order to calculate income tax payable, we are using it. We are going to deduct it, right?
Right.
And we have dividend, right? In this question, do we have interest? Do we have saving incomes? Sorry, hello?
No.
No, okay. Now, how to solve this question? We know the main format. I will switch the screen to the OneNote. Here it is. The question is visible to you, right?
Yes.
How to do that? Very carefully. First time we are doing a question with dividend income. So we have non-savings. There is no saving income, only dividend we have, and total. Okay. Non-savings. We have employment income, which is part of non-savings, 14850. Then there is no other income, only we have dividend received, yani dividend income, which is 4,500. The total will be this is my total income as well as net income. Why? Because there are no qualifying interests available. We know after getting net income, we have to deduct personal allowance, which is fixed 12570. It can be reduced, but in this question, it will not reduce. We will get taxable income. How much? Now we will apply the tax working. But before this, we will decide that this guy is basic taxpayer or higher band taxpayer. He is under 37,700. So he is basic taxpayer. You are right. Now applying the tax. Non-savings 2280. It will fall under basic band. So 20% of this, how much?
456.
456. Very good. Then we do have dividend. Just now we learned in dividend we have only one extra band, which is nil rate band. And the limit for nil rate band for dividend in any case means it is higher, basic, additional, whatsoever the taxpayer status is, the nil rate band of dividend will have a limit of 2,000 only. Means out of 4,500, 2,000 fall under nil rate band. So what is the leftover? And this guy is basic band taxpayer. So the leftover means 4,500 minus 2,000, which is 2,500. It will fall under the basic band, and we do have income tax liability. I will like to share one screen with you. Just see the rates. Just see the rates for dividend. Is it same like interest and non-saving, or are they differ?
They are different.
They are different. So basic band rate is not 20%, it is 7.5%. So at the rate of 7.5% will give me an answer of
188.
and income tax liability is
640.
out of this how much he paid in advance from his salary.
600.
So what is income tax payable?
44.
Any questions in this one? Any problem? Sorry,
No questions.
you want to copy it or you note it down already?
I'll copy it.
Huh?
I'm writing it down now.
Okay, once you're done, let me know. So Imani, the answer is 2189 for the income tax payable. Must remember, as we learned same thing for savings income, that if we have NRB and the taxpayer is higher band taxpayer, so we have to reach till higher band. So the basic band, how much it should fall under the basic band? Never forget to deduct nil rate band, which is used here. Same thing we learned in our savings income. Okay. To this question, Alfie employment income is 187,450. Okay. She is receiving interest 18750. She also receives dividend, which is 12,000. So 187,450, 18750, and 12,000. Just make the total. How much? How much is the total?
193060.
Huh?
193060.
187,450, 18750, and 12,000. What is the total?
So 218,200.
Correct. 218,200. Now, total net income is above 100,000. So we have to calculate ANI. Do we have any gifted? Gross gifted, gross personal pension, we don't have it. So 0, 0. ANI is 218,200, and we know that if ANI is greater than or is equals to how much? Do you remember? Hello?
100,000.
112? What?
112,300.
112?
300.
Then personal allowance is nil. Personal allowance reduced to nil. So personal allowance, we did a working. No personal allowance. We have to show the working in the same manner which is reflecting right now on your screen. You have to write 0. This 0 and the working do have marks. Okay. Taxable income is 187,450. This, and total is here. So this person is additional band taxpayer. Why? Because he is earning more than 150,000. So he is additional band taxpayer. First of all, we will apply the tax on non-savings. Non-savings, 187,450 basic band. There is no gifted, no increase in the band's limit. So 37,700 at the rate of 20%. It will be
758,754.
okay. Higher bands, how much is the limit? Is the higher band?
Limits 150,000.
The limit in higher band is 112,300, right?
Yes.
Okay, now how much is left over? Just use the calculator. 187,450 minus, just a working, 187,450. This is my known savings, taxable known savings. Fall under a basic band. How much? 37,700. So how much left? Hello?
Yeah, 149,750.
149.
750.
This left. We have the maximum limit in higher band 112,300, and we knows how to calculate 112,300. 112,300 is coming 37,700 minus 150,000, which we learned earlier. 40%, how much?
44,920.
And additional band, it will be how much? If you want to do working, I can do it here. 112,300 in higher,
Yes.
how much it should be in additional?
7,450.
37,450, and it will be taxed at higher rate, additional rate, which is 45%, and the answer will be 16853. Any questions, please?
No.
Then we have saving income. We can write here, start band will not come. Why?
Because it needs to be less than
Because known savings are greater than 5,000. Nil rate band will not apply. Why? Because this guy is additional taxpayer, and for savings, additional band taxpayer, nil rate band will not apply. Right or wrong? Hello?
Yes, yes.
And we already reached additional band in non-savings, means there is no space in basic, no space in higher. So whatever we have savings income will fall under the head of additional band. Why? Because already basic and higher band is consumed by non-saving income. So 18,750 will be taxed at additional rate, which is 45%, and give us an answer of 16853. Any questions? Sorry, I think I write it wrong. Just tell me the correct calculation, please. 18750 into 45%.
8,438.
Now the last thing is dividend. In dividend, we do have nil rate band. What is the limit of nil rate band in dividend income of 2000?
2,000.
2000 is the nil rate band limit for dividend. It is constant. Whatever the guy's status is, this will remain same. 12,000 is total dividend. We already consume basic and higher bands, so the leftover of dividend, which is 12,000 minus 2,000, is coming 10,000, will fall under additional band for dividend income. And if dividend fall under additional band, the rate is 38.1% and will give us a tax liability of 3810. Total income tax liability for this particular question will be 81,561, and there is no income, no pay as you earn, means the liability and the payable will remain same. And the requirement for this particular question is only calculate income tax liability. Any problems, please?
In the notes you sent, dividends additional ban as 150,000 pounds. The 151 and then plus 38.1%. So are we supposed to add that?
No, I didn't get you. What you said?
In the notes you sent, right? Under the dividends column, we have additional band, like 150,000 pounds plus 38.1%.
It's not plus. It's not plus. It's not plus. Let me correct it. It's not plus. 1 second. There is a correction. This is a correction I am writing. It's not plus. It's multiply. Yani if this plus means above 150,000. Yani if dividend fall under the additional band, and additional band means if we consume taxable incomes of non-saving, savings and dividend more than 150,000, it's above. And this is not non-saving, this is dividend. Got it?
All right.